this is Susan from Keheng Battery. In today's video, I'm going to introduce our all-in-one portable solar system. We have two models, 12 volt 100 amp hour and 200 amp hour. Let's look at the front part. There's a power switch. There's a LED display screen. There is AC power port and DC power port. There are three ways of charging: power charging, solar charging, and car charging. Some small electrical appliances can be charged, such as mobile phone, tablet PC, TV, fan, and LED light. There are four-way USB output port and 412 transmission outlet and 2 circuit 212 output. This portable solar system produced by our company is from solar panel, solar controller, and battery through professional assembling to be an easy using product. This product has many advantages: easy installation, maintenance-free, safety, and easy to solve the basic use of electricity. For more details, please contact me. Bye. See you next time.